the income and expenses tracker brought to you by TemplateshopNet. How critical is this in terms of helping you manage your income and expenses is what we will see in a moment. What we see right now is a summary, a high-level overview of what this template is all about, a few of the important instructions, explanation of the various sheets which appear right down here, as well as changing of colors, fonts, themes, as well as the currency. It's a fully customizable template. The input data is where we have a neat categorization of the income and expenses. The various transactions by date, the value category, the overview, which is beautifully laid with various charts, graphs, tables, as well as the yearly dashboard. Let's look at it one by one. We select a start date, say for example, January, 1st of January. The income, expenses, and the details all appear here, is completely customizable. So salary can become salary 1. If it's from different sources, we can also mention that. For shopping, I might say instead of shopping, I might say mall, or I might say clothes for that matter. Right? So that is how things work out. Next, we go into the transactions and we go into, say, 2nd of the month, value 1000, income. Where does this income come in from? Side income, side hustle. Expenses, clothing. Expenses, shopping. This, of course, I can change from shopping to, say, gym. This income, I can change from side hustle to passive income. In case you want to add your own, you can, of course, do it using the drop down buttons or using the input data where you can change this. Next, we move into the overview, which tells us the start and the end of the year. We can customize this. The overview, the income, expenses, and what is left is these details which come in from here. 27,492, the total of the income. The total of expenses, 14,130, and what is left. These numbers roll in from the previous sheet based on the category of whether it was income or expenses. Now let me change a few things. Drastic changes so that you're able to appreciate how these graphs change. So salary, of course, comes in from the previous sheet, but let me make a force change. Instead of $4,700, I make it $47,000. Do you see the change in the graphs? Well, under, say, shopping, $6,100 becomes $6,000. The graphs change. So these are helping you understand where is the income coming from and where are we spending that based on numbers and percentage. Last but not least, we have a yearly dashboard which we define the income, expense, and what is balance, the cash flow statement based on income, expense, and left to spend. Let me make changes here. In February, I make it 25,000. And we see how the graph changes. Income and expenses likely. Not just that, we have a detailed statement which flows in from the transactions onto this sheet, which helps you understand where is the income coming from which sources, and where is it being spent. I appreciate you watching this video. You can stay up to date on useful templates such as this by subscribing to TemplateshopNet.